Olives, the unsung heroes of the Mediterranean, hide a secret. They're not exactly edible straight off the tree, but with a little patience and some simple tricks, they transform into the tangy treat we all know and love. The process kicks off with harvesting. Olives are hand-picked in the Mediterranean region during the autumn months, usually from October to November. The timing is crucial. The olive's flavor hinges on it. Too early and they're too bitter, too late and they can be overripe. Once harvested, it's time to sort the olives. Discard any damaged ones and keep only the best. Size doesn't matter here, but quality does. The better the olive, the better the flavor. Next, it's time to crack open their secret. Olives contain a natural compound called oleuropein that makes them bitter. To remove this, they need to be cured. There are several ways to do this, but let's focus on one of the most popular methods: brining. Brining involves soaking the olives in a solution of water and salt. The salt draws out the bitterness and infuses the olives with a savory depth of flavor. This process can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the type of olive and personal taste preferences. While the olives are soaking, the brine needs to be changed regularly to ensure the curing process is effective. This is a labor of love, but the rewards are worth it. After the curing process, the olives are rinsed thoroughly to remove any excess salt. They are then transferred to jars and covered with fresh brine, olive oil, or vinegar to preserve them and enhance their flavor. Finally, the olives are ready to be savored. They can be enjoyed on their own, blended into a tapenade, tossed in a salad, or used as a garnish for your favorite cocktail. The opportunities are endless and the flavor is unforgettable. In summary, preparing olives is a journey, starting with the careful harvesting of the fruit. The olives are then sorted and cured through brining, a process that can take weeks or even months. After curing, they are rinsed and preserved in a solution of choice, ready to be enjoyed in countless culinary creations. The result is a transformation from a bitter fruit to a delectable delight, a testament to the magic that patience and care can bring to our plates. So the next time you pop an olive into your mouth, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. From tree to table, it's a process steeped in tradition and time, just like the olives themselves.